There is an app for children, kids' chores, and their allowances. Joining us now is the CEO of the app, and it's called Busykid. Got it? Busykid. His name is Gregg Murset. And thanks for joining us, Greg.
Thanks. Good to be here.
Let me get this right. On my little phone here, I could have your app, Busykid, put it right there, and I could check up on whether the kids are doing their chores, and I could pay them through the app, and they got the money, and they can actually invest that money if they so choose.
Yes.
Have I got it right?
Yes, you got it right. Think of it as your kid's first job with direct deposit. Okay? Kids do jobs.
That's good.
They earn money. Our system sends out a text message every Thursday. Do you want to pay this kid, yes or no? Mom says yes. The money moves into the system automatically. Save, share, and spend. Splits it up.
Now, look, great idea. Okay, I got it. Great idea. But is this a backdoor way to getting information, data on the kids?
No, I think this is a way to get kids some money so that they can start making good financial decisions.
But you do collect the data?
We collect the data in, what they're doing, but
Not
nothing.
who they are?
No, not
how
who
old
they
are, social security numbers, all that kind of thing? You don't
We
do
collect their age so that we can pitch chores to their parents so that they can give those chores to their kids.
Oh,
and they're age appropriate.
So you actively involve yourself in doing chores with kids?
Yeah.
Do kids get paid for all chores these days?
Not all chores. It's kind of up to the family, right? There's some that get paid, right? This is a big thing, right?
Susan got an allowance from her mom, but if she didn't do her chores, she deducted it from the allowance.
She did, yes. It was a little traumatic, but that was the way to motivate me. And still scarred. Sorry, Mom.
There you go. But this app would have made deducting for not doing chores even easier.
You can disapprove. Boom.
Oh, come on.
Disapprove that chore. You didn't do it very well, or you lied and you didn't do it. Disapprove it.
Well, is it free?
That's hard.
The app is free. Our service is $14.95 a year for a whole family.
$14.95 a year. And you got 10,000 families hooked up? Okay. Busy kids. Busy kids.
Get kids busy doing something. Earning some money, making some decisions.
Not playing video games.
Not sitting around watching video games. Yeah.
Greg, thank you very much.